Hello everyone, Coach Carole with you today on January 23, and this is livecast number 23. It's a follow-on from yesterday's livecast where I showed you how to use a storyboard for your ancestral stories using Trello. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own ancestral storyboard using the template that I've provided for you. I'm going to share my screen and walk you through the steps. Here is the template that I've created for those who want to use Trello for their planning of ancestral stories. And you can see a number of lists that I've already created. These are the lists here. And anything becomes editable once you have your own copy. So all you need to do is click on this button at the top, create the board from a template. But before I do that, I need to copy where you can get this particular template from so that I can put it at the bottom of this post for you. So I'm going to copy that first. Now we create the board from template and give it a name. And if you have particular workspaces, you can allocate that board to one of those. So I'm putting this into my family historians workspace. And now I simply create by clicking the create button. And magically, it has created a new board for me called the McCulloch Clan. And now I can begin to make the changes that I want. So I might want to, first of all, instead of just saying your ancestors, put in the name and I might change the image if I want to later. So I've made a start. Then you can simply choose your timeline and then work through each of the lists to name those in your maternal line, your paternal line. Put a heading for a particular ancestor like grandmother or grandfather, and away you go. It's that simple. And you don't need to save anything additionally as you work in a Trello board. It's automatically saved. So I hope you've enjoyed that little tip from me today. We come back to the screen with you. Sometimes I get a little lost in StreamYard. And I wanted to remind you that if you wanted to see all of these livecast tips in the one place, I'd really like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can find that here at CoachCaroleOnline.com YouTube channel. And if you want more of these tips about Trello, they appear in my free course called Family Story Magic, which you can find here at CoachCaroleOnline.com/Family Story Magic. I really hope you've enjoyed this tip today on creating an ancestral storyboard from a Trello template. And I will be back with more. Bye for now.